Every old house holds secrets, but some are content to keep those secrets silent. Others just wait for someone to sit down. Welcome back to our English story session. Today we are entering a very quiet but slightly spooky place in the story, The Empty Chair. The attic was always the most frightening room in Mia's house. Nobody used it. Dust covered everything. The smell was old and thick, like forgotten books and dry wood. Mia avoided the attic door. It was hidden behind a heavy curtain on the second-floor landing. In the center of the attic was a small old wooden chair. The chair was not fancy. It was small, like a child's seat, and the wood was worn smooth from years of use. Mia's grandmother had said the chair belonged to a child who lived in the house a long, long time ago. The grandmother never looked at the chair when she spoke about it. Mia was spending the summer holidays with her cousin Alex. Alex was older than Mia and loved to make trouble. One rainy afternoon, when the wind was rattling the windows downstairs, Alex dared Mia to visit the attic. "Just go up and look," Alex teased. Mia hesitated. She was not usually afraid, but the attic felt different today. "No," she replied simply. Alex smiled. "Okay, but the chair is the key. You must sit in the chair for 5 whole minutes. If you do it, I will give you my new video game." Mia thought about the video game. It was tempting. "Fine," she whispered, feeling a cold knot in her stomach. She climbed the dusty, creaking stairs. The attic door was heavy, but she pushed it open. The air inside was still and cold, much colder than the rest of the house. Sunlight struggled to enter through the dirty window glass. Mia walked slowly towards the chair. She could hear her heart beating in her ears. She did not see Alex. He was waiting at the bottom of the stairs, listening. Mia sat down in the chair. The wood was immediately cold beneath her thin jeans. She checked her watch. 1 minute passed. She looked around the room. Dust was floating everywhere. Nothing was happening. "It's boring," she said out loud, mostly to break the silence. She was looking at the dusty window, waiting for the time to pass. Suddenly, a loud noise made her jump. A framed photograph fell from the wall right behind the chair, hitting the floor with a clap.
Mia stood up quickly, her blood running cold. She looked at the photograph. It showed a small, serious child sitting in that exact chair. The photograph was old, black and white, and the child's eyes were wide. Mia looked at the picture in her hands, then back at the chair, then back at the picture. The child in the photograph was now smiling, but not at Mia. The child was smiling at the empty wooden chair. Mia dropped the photograph. She felt a sudden wave of heat. She knew the chair was cold when she sat down, but now the small wooden seat was noticeably warm. Mia did not wait for Alex or the video game. She turned and ran towards the door, down the dusty stairs and out of the cold air. As she slammed the attic door shut, she knew that the child from the picture was now sitting there, warm and happy, exactly where she had been just a moment ago. She never looked at the attic curtain again. What a mysterious end! Mia definitely did not get the video game, but she solved a much older secret. This story helped us practice past simple for the main actions, Mia sat, photo fell, and past continuous for describing the ongoing atmosphere. The wind was rattling the windows. Dust was floating everywhere. Think about a time you felt scared. What were you doing while you heard the strange sound? Here are some new words we learned today: frightening, warn, dared, rattling, whispered, clap, noticed. We used the past continuous to set the scene. The wind was rattling the windows. Dust was floating everywhere. Think about a time you felt scared. What were you doing while you heard the strange sound? If you want more mysterious stories and lessons for A2 B1 English, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend. We will see you next time. And remember, always check your seat. Bye!